Hi, I'm Unica. From the lectures and readings across this module, I learned to understand AI not as a fixed technology, but as a dynamic process that connects media, intelligence, and society. Each week revealed a different layer of this relationship, from the material histories of communication to the cultural logic of prediction. From week one, I realized that media are not just tools or technologies, they are historical infrastructures that shape how power, knowledge, and even intelligence circulate. The reading from Big Bang to Big Data helped me see that digital culture is built upon the residual energy of past media. The old never disappears but becomes encoded inside the new. This made me think that AI is not a revolution that breaks from history, but a continuum that inherits all previous forms of meditation, from writing and printing to computation and prediction. In week 3's lecture, I learned from Fish that the digit, the smallest unit of information, is material. Information is carried by tiny particles and pulses of electricity, and we are personifying and utilizing the particle nature of the universe to encode and control meaning. This reveals our deep desire to understand the world through data. In week 7, the lecture showed that AI systems rely on probability and prediction. It's a gamble. Generative models like ChatGPT don't understand language, but compute the most likely outcome from data. The logic of prediction, as the lecture explained, reflects humanity's enduring desire to foresee the future. And the metaphor of gambling reveals a paradox. AI appears to offer certainty, yet is fundamentally a system for managing uncertainty. Through the group projects, I learned to translate theoretical concepts into visual language and to experiment with different documentary styles. In week 2 TikTok style video, I wrote the script and proposed the idea that Sumerian cuneiform writing is the ancient version of social posts. I also spoke on camera, and it was my first time learning how to insert my own explanation as a picture-in-picture within the visual footage. And directing and starring in the week 3 video essay taught me how to use vivid narration and visuals to interpret a story's tension, transforming the idea of digital connection into emotional conflict. And in week 5, I explored an abstract documentary style through glitch aesthetics. And in week 7, I contributed to the script and editing our AI-generated video, learning how to design prompts that produce visuals aligned with specific descriptions. Through these projects, I developed skills in framing, sound layering, montage, and rhythmic editing, using images not just to illustrate theory, but to think through it visually. That's all. Thank you.